5, we have new developments to get you caught up with the Delphi murders case.
This is the case where 2 teen girls were killed. The suspect in the case is Richard Allen, and his trial is scheduled to begin next month. And right now, both the prosecutor and the defense are jockeying back and forth in preparation for that upcoming trial.
Our senior investigative reporter Bob Siegel is here in studio to explain what's happened over the past few hours. Bob?
Both sides filed documents in court today that could have an impact on this trial. We are talking about 3 separate motions that all deal with evidence, witnesses, and what the jury in the Delphi murders case will or will not be able to hear. One of the documents filed today deals with key evidence we're expected to hear at trial, and that is confessions Richard Allen supposedly made while being held in prison. The defense does not want jurors to hear those confessions and has asked the court to suppress them. Well, early Tuesday morning, the state filed an objection explaining why jurors should hear calls that Allen made to his wife and his mother and hear about comments he allegedly made to more than a dozen staff and inmates inside the prison. In another filing Tuesday, the state asked for permission to get personnel and mental health records for a former Rushville assistant police chief who's expected to be a key witness for the defense. As an investigator on the Delphi murders case, that police official stated that he believes Odinists, not Richard Allen, are involved in the deaths of Libby German and Abby Williams. The prosecutor is looking for information that might call into question the credibility of that defense witness. The third motion filed today is from the defense. They are again claiming prosecutor Nick McLeland has been late in turning over evidence, in some cases withholding evidence the public defenders need to defend Richard Allen. They want the judge to order the prosecutor to turn over any remaining evidence by the end of this week, and they're asking the judge to impose unusual sanctions. The defense team says because the state violated the rules of discovery by releasing large volumes of evidence very late, they want the judge to instruct the jury that the prosecution failed to turn over evidence tending to prove the innocence of Mr. Allen in a timely manner. And they want the judge to admit or exclude certain evidence that, according to the defense, was turned over late. Now, the trial is scheduled to begin in Delphi in 3 weeks. We expect many more motions to be filed before then. We will keep you updated on those. And of course, we will be in the courtroom during the entire Delphi murders trial, and we will bring you updates there every day from the trial.
Yeah, we'll also have our legal analyst on hand too to provide that insight as well.
We will, team coverage, and we are getting prepared for that. 3 weeks from now, we expect jury deliberations to be taking place, and soon after, opening statements to be made to the jury.
Hopefully when this is all done, this will lead to justice for the families.
Absolutely.
Thank you, Bob.